Hello everyone. So when we visited the cathedral in Santiago de Compostela, we went to this restaurant, Abarola. So they have a nice meat and they have lobster and crab. So that's the only seafood that they have. Yan. So yun lang kasi magpo-close kasi sila nung araw na yan. So, kaya yun lang ang meron silang seafood. So, but we had a nice meal. We had meat, and then we had rice and lobsters. Yun. So, masarap naman. It's okay. Yun lang. So, okay, we're done eating now. Guys, finish. Jonathan. Hi. Okay. Yes. And 6.